Over a decade ago, Domino's pizza sales were decreasing rapidly, so the restaurant changed its entire pizza recipe. They launched a big marketing campaign that changed the way Americans ate pizza. They've developed a new line of pizzas with 40% more cheese. Consumers loved the cheesier pizza, and sales soared by double digits. Americans do seem to love cheese. Though it's a staple food for many, cheese is bad for our health, and we're eating too much of it. According to the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, Americans eat more than 33 pounds of cheese per person per year, 3 times more than they did in 1970, and our country is more obese than ever. Cheese is a high-calorie product loaded with fat, sodium, and cholesterol. Typical cheeses are 70% fat. And the type of fat they contain is mainly saturated, bad fat. When you look at the facts, it's clear that cheese is pretty awful. Here are 5 scary facts why cheese is not good for your health. 1. Cheese is the largest source of saturated fat. According to an article published by the New York Times, that Domino's pizza with 40% more cheese contained about 2/3 the amount of your recommended daily intake of saturated fat in just one slice. With restaurants and processed cheese companies selling fatty products, is no wonder that in the US you have an obesity epidemic. 2. Cheeses are made with an animal stomach enzyme. Cheese is made with rennet, which is fabricated from an enzyme that comes from a cow's stomach. You might find some cheese labeled as vegetarian, but otherwise, they probably contain rennet. Vegetarian cheeses are manufactured using rennet from either fungal, bacterial sources or genetically modified microorganisms. 3. Cheese can contain pus from cows. Artisanal and poor manufacturing practices make cheese an unhealthy choice. Cows are treated like milk-producing machines and are genetically manipulated and pumped full of antibiotics and hormones to make them produce more milk. While cows suffer on factory farms, humans who drink their milk increase their chances of developing heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and many other ailments. 4. Cheese can cause diabetes and heart disease. According to the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, 1/4 of an average 12-inch cheese pizza contains nearly 13 grams of fat, including 6 grams of saturated fat and 27 milligrams of cholesterol. All of that packs on the calorie content too, thus packing on the weight. Consuming too much cheese can lead to diseases further down the road. 5. Cheesemakers spray mold to make the rind. Cheese can contain mold. Cheeses like brie, cheesemakers will spray mold onto the surface to encourage the growth of white rinds. Gross. Would you like some mold with that cheese? No thanks. Luckily, with the advancements in vegan technology these days, we have many vegan cheese alternatives available at the grocery store. Even better, make your own dairy-free cheese at home. Until next time, happy healing. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.